Margaret home with Hirsch's, and here I am with Kelly from Kelly's Kitchen. Kelly, tell us about these amazing little cakes.
Today we've made pancakes, but we made them in muffin trays. This is great for the kids to get involved. There's no frying over the stove, so they're very safe for the kids to get involved. They can build their own. You just fill the muffin trays with the pancake mix and choose your toppings. We've done nuts, blueberries and chopped chips.
And we've got them in vanilla and in chocolate. You can mix and match.